Okay, so today I'm having the new Innova Sub pad holder here. Let me see how it looks like. Okay, it's a proper box here. Let's see. And then, oh yeah, that's good. It's well protected, which is important because it's a very nice piece of crafted work. Comes in low quantities, kind of customized, I know that already. Let me see. Okay. Packaging seems to be recycled packaging, that's good. Let me first load the instruction manual. Very nice. Clear, good overview. All the details in here, color print. That's very nice. So the support, technical support for such a product, very important, right? Thank you. So let me see the good piece of work. So what do we have here? So it feels quite heavy. It's good. So it gives a feeling of strength, well-crafted work. I see the Phillips screws here and the hexagonic screws. Good engineering work. Here is the attachment point for the sensor. Open it now here. Good quality stainless steel. It's good in the hand. It's going to disappear. That later. It's good in the hand for underwater. We have here the pen. I know what to do with that one. Let us open it. I suggest the box away. Here, use the pen like this. Good. Nice. Looks good. Good quality, all the details. The sealing sits in very nicely, which is very important for such a product. And let's see the pad. Thank you very much. So, in this case, you use a Samsung pad. It fits well inside. Need to put it like this because the glass is there. Yes. Let's see. Oh. So we start. Let's see if it closes properly. Yes. It's pretty tight. So I heard it's waterproof for up to 60 meters, which is for an advanced open water diver that is certified more than enough. So let's see. We have our pen here, and that's a great thing because underwater, if you wear the gloves, you don't want to have a flimsy small thing. Let's see if it works. So that pad is not set for auto adjustment. But you can see pretty well. We can access with this pen. Very easy, very swift. While underwater you won't use the directions, right? So we use the software that comes with the diving software for this pad. Right. Amazing. It needs some refinement, but it's amazing. Software-wise,